Hello friends, welcome again to another video. Today I'm making grilled tilapia fish and I'll be grilling it in the oven and spicing it up with some delicacies. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Just sit back and watch and enjoy the recipe. You can incorporate it to any of your family dishes. It can be a standalone dish and it can be an accompaniment for any other meal. Enjoy the video. So guys, you can see how colorful and attractive this looks. It's just a very easy way of making your grilled tilapia fish, and then all the spices, all the seasoning in the sauce is going to get into the fish, and the taste was something else. Like, oh my god, I enjoyed this fish with some grilled potatoes as well. You can have yours with rice, with whatever you want to have it with, or you can have it alone. The taste was just something else. I hope you guys are going to try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Kindly consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.